Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sazon, and today I'm making fried Oreos. For this recipe, we need Oreos, canola oil, powdered sugar, and all-purpose flour. Fill up the pot halfway with canola oil. Once you filled your pot up with canola oil, you have to turn on your heat to medium-high heat. Add all-purpose flour and add water until it's the consistency of pancake batter. The batter mixture needs to be as smooth as possible. Now we mix it. Take each Oreo and dip them in the batter, making sure the Oreo is fully coated. Then carefully add each Oreo to the hot oil. Every year in February, we at the Florida State Fair. I just went to the fair last weekend and I ate delicious fried Oreos. I decided to make fried Oreos myself so I wouldn't have to wait for the fair next year. So, I also made these at AG's Kitchen once during the summer. At the Florida State Fair, we ate so much food. Don't overcrowd your pot. Make sure there's enough room for the cookies to swim in the hot oil. You only want to fry these for about 1 minute or until lightly brown. Remove the fried Oreos from the hot oil and place them onto a paper towel to drain the oil. Now to make the fried Oreos a little sweeter, add powdered sugar into a sifter or a mesh strainer like I'm using to sprinkle the powdered sugar onto the Oreos. You can find fried Oreos at the Florida State Fair or usually any state fair in the US. If you don't want to wait for the fair to come around, you can make this recipe at home. Well, here we have it, fried Oreos. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.